G'day, it's Simon from Wasco Energy Australia. I look after the mechanical and welding crew at Wasco here in Brisbane. Just out here today picking up this new custom trailer that the team at Ox Trailers have custom made. Literally just hooked it up to the cruiser. First thought's just amazing. Everything that we wanted. Brody and the team helped us out. Positioning of the gas bottles, reels, custom shelving, the whole lot. So super impressive and looking forward to getting out in the field.